So we are Team 2. I'm Corey,
Zach,
Dad.
Brandon.
and this is our sustainability improvement for our electric toothbrush.
Alright, so Project 1 was based around designing the most sustainable electric toothbrush. So not only is the design of the toothbrush a major factor in sustainability, but so is the process in which it is made. And our objective is to identify the best process in order to maximize its sustainability.
So obviously there are many different ways that we can make the sustainability of the toothbrush, but we decided that a single method isn't optimal, so we decided to use multiple methods. And the three body parts that we're using are the brush head, the body, and the crank.
For the brush head, we incorporated a modular design. This is because the brush is going to replace more, so we designed it for recycling, and it's easy to remove and replace.
For the body and the crank, they're pretty much similar or similarly related, so we decided to use the same methods for each one. So we designed them for disassembly so they can be easily taken apart and the parts inside can be recycled. And they were designed for life extension so they would last longer because a crank is something that you wouldn't want to replace that often.
And the overall methods for improving the sustainability are, perhaps the most important, are eco-design and choosing the best materials that will increase its sustainability the most, or increase it. This also includes waste source reduction design, meaning that we're going to use biodegradable materials in its packaging and eliminate a lot of forms of waste. So,
Alright, so we set Asia originally as our background, our baseline, and then we decided to switch it up a bit and change it to Japan, and we noticed that down here, but for Japan's side, it was just overall a lot better, so we're using Japan.
So for material selection, the best material had to satisfy the following. It had to be durable, recyclable, sustainable, readily available, and very cost effective.
Alright, so for the baseline, we chose the polycarbonate PC high viscosity because we looked it up online, and that's pretty much the most common plastic there is. So that's what we decided to set as our baseline, and those are the starting graphs that we want to improve upon.
and through testing between the other classes of materials, we found that plastics were way superior to others, especially to metals. And as you can see here, metals are a lot more dangerous to the environment, but not only in the carbon footprint, but everything else, like air acidification and how it's manufactured.
Alright, so as said before, plastics are superior. So we went through a bunch of comparisons of the plastics, and we finally decided upon polypropylene polymer. And it's a translucent, crystalline polymer that exhibits high stiffness, strength at room temperature, and electrical insulation properties. So you don't want to shock yourself when you're brushing your teeth. So we just thought it'd be good. It's strong.
So the graph for our polypropylene homopolymer, it's a lot better than the PC high viscosity.
And this is just another representation showing the difference between the polypropylene and the PC high viscosity, and we can see how much better the polypropylene is towards the environment.